something special going on. We're taking a little trip today. I already left work, you know, got up early today. Got up early today, got my stuff ready, and now I'm heading home. It's 11, almost 11:30. Heading home, pack my bags. I'm gonna take a little trip. I'm gonna take you guys along. I won't be back in LA until I'm thinking Sunday morning. So it's Friday, and yeah, we're catching a flight. We're gonna catch a flight today, and I'll take you guys on for a ride, and we're gonna get to see somebody today, and we're gonna go pick something up today. So watch the rest of the video so you can see what's going on. At the airport, gonna catch a flight. Keep you guys posted. Pakistan. You did? Wait, 6:30. Just arrived in Austin. Waiting for my ride. Let's see where this guy's at. Alright, we made it out here. We came to the famous Terry Black's barbecue. When you're in Austin, you gotta try barbecue. So, and it's crowded tonight, but good thing I pre-ordered our barbecue. No, I went to pick them up and then. Yeah. Push up. Coolio. For sure. He's gonna be here for a minute, so. Cool. Oh, okay, cool then. Alright, everybody. It is currently 5 in the morning, Texas time, and this is what we picked up. This is a better view because I'm at the gas station, got all the lighting. This is what we came to pick up. This is gonna be the new daily project. A decent amount of miles for this Silverado. We're taking it all the way back to California, all the way back to Los Angeles, and I've been on the road already for 2.5 hours, so got about 17 hours to go. And once it gets light out, I'll start recording during the day. But clean body, no dings, no dents, just some paint fade, normal wear and tear. But loving these gas prices though. It's not too bad. Once I get back to LA, I'm gonna feel it, so hopefully I can pump in Arizona and make it all the way home, and then we'll be good. But everything's good here. Second round of coffee, clean bed in the back. It's clean after we fixed it. I mean, it's clean. Gotta get a new door handle. But we're gonna get started here. So once the sun comes up, I'll start recording. Tacoma, but a different. And I think they come diesel. This might be a diesel. Right here at the U.S. Border Patrol in New Mexico. Inspection. I think these are all heat sinking cameras to check if you have bodies in the car. Thank you. And just like that, this is a few days later, guys. I just want to show you what we got now that I'm back in LA. It's been about a week. Left Friday, came back Saturday night. So 21-hour drive, and this is what we got. 2000 Chevy Silverado, and we're gonna go register it right now. So let's go for a ride. Hopefully we can get it registered today, and then have a new vehicle on the channel. All right, easy as that. Took about 10 minutes. Did a name transfer, went to AAA, and since it was between family members, easy money. So what's done so far to the vehicle, I did a new ignition switch because they broke it. Changed the top bottom plastic, changed the center console, nice and new leather, if you can see. There you go. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have a full day, heading to the junkyard, getting a couple pieces. Need some screws, need a button, and gonna try to put an alarm if I have enough time tomorrow. It needs an alarm, security alarm. Right now I'm using the whole club right now. So, and radio. So the radio's coming in tomorrow. I already got it, but I'll be installing it tomorrow, and I'll be doing some music, some sound, some speakers, and everything. So keep everybody updated on this truck. It should be a good little project going on that I can continue. I'll try to have more videos loaded up in order, but I can't hit them in order. I'm too busy. Still gotta work. So, yeah, it's a nice truck. Low miles. I mean, relatively low miles, but drives really good. Drove it all the way back from Texas. Took about 21 hours. Left Saturday morning at 2:30 a.m. Got home around 11:45. Could have made it back quicker, about an hour quicker, but I stopped to have tacos in Arizona. So tacos is a good thing. So that'll be the end of this video. So the beginning was last week, starting off my Friday last week. This is Friday, the following Friday, but just an update to end out this video because I got so busy during the week I couldn't do an ending. Plus it gets dark, couldn't really film the vehicle, but I'll do a nice walk around tomorrow morning for the next video, and keep you guys posted on how everything works out with the new radio, alarm system, hopefully an exhaust. Keep everything stocked for now, but we are looking at bigger things, and then when they do come, I'll keep everybody posted. All right, peace.